Okay, so we are just popping open the little split hive that I made, and I had put in a bunch of drawn comb, and there's bees just kind of checking stuff out, working on it a little bit. And these guys are good little workers, it seems like. It was just a 3-frame split. It was a frame that had all kinds of queen cells on it, a frame of honey, and a frame of brood. And that was what I had put in for that split. And so today we are going to see if the queen has emerged yet, is kind of what we're looking at. Oh, where's my hive tool? And so these bees, man, they're just happy little suckers. I mean, they just hang out. They love these pollen patties. I've got pollen patties in here for them, and they just eat the heck out of them. Okay, so I think I'm gonna move this patty real quick. This, I believe, is the frame that had the queen cells on it. So here goes. Nope, it was not. These are just nice workers. Nice little worker bees in here doing their jobs. In fact, I might be wrong. I think there was queen cups right there and they've killed them. And if that's the case, that means a queen is hatched.
There's the remnant of a queen cup too.
It's just Minnie.
I know, but it got me.
Alright, so we're going back in real easy. Real nice and easy. This should be a honey frame. Nope. That is straight. Look at all the nectar. See all the nectar that those guys have already put up in there? I don't see a new queen anywhere yet. Look at this, is all nectar. Those are queen cells. So there's a new queen in here somewhere. They're cleaning them out. So there is a new queen in this hive somewhere. We just don't know where yet. There's it's a drone. It's a big old drone right there. But she is hatched and she's in here somewhere because they've killed all of the other cells in there.
Alright, oh wow. I wonder if she's not in that one.
They are getting a little bit bally, aren't they? Okay. Nice and easy. Put her down. Alright, this one should be just a pure honey frame right here. Get off of there, dummy. This one should be, oh, it's heavy. This one should be all honey. No? These new queens, so from what I've heard, is they're super shy. And so right now I'm looking for any eggs, larvae. Don't see any. But she can also fly right now too. Big old drones in there. Bunch of big old drones in there. Coming down real easy with it. This is probably going to be the last one that I pop out. I don't think we need to go any further than this one. She might be on this frame. They've drawn that out pretty well. That's pretty impressive. This is all capped honey, all nectar coming in here. I don't see a queen anywhere, but I could have missed her too. I'm not super good at finding them.
This queen was the small one too, wasn't it? No, this was from the
This
split.
was the fresh hive. This was the fresh split. So we're just going to drop this back in like this. I'm going to move these frames back into place and see what happens. I'll check again in a week. See if we have eggs. Week or two, see if we have eggs.